Hey guys, wanna know how to quick render your patterns in FL Studio? It's super duper easy, so let's get right into it. First up, open the pattern that you want to convert. Make sure it has some beats in it. After everything is checked, click on it and right click on it. And here you can see various options, and down there on the bottom, there is render as an audio clip or quick render as an audio clip. You can select whatever you want, but since we're doing quick render as an audio clip, we select that. As you can see, the audio has been rendered as fast as possible. You can just simply drag it to the playlist and preview it easily just like that. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.